So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover the second lab, basically create two employee agents. Make sure you have completed the first lab of this particular module. So let's come over here and please follow the video carefully so that you get full score on this lab. Now here you have to come down to the challenge page and you can see these challenge we have to create. So just come to the challenge page and just click on the launch button. Now once you have clicked on the launch button, wait for it to get fully loaded. Now here you can see the page is successfully loaded over here. It's taking a bit of time, so you can wait. Now finally this part is successfully done and the page is loaded. Now in the quick find you have to just type Agentforce. So from here you have to just click on the Agentforce agents. We have to create some of the agents and test a prompt. So it's very easy. Click on new agent. And once you have clicked on the new agent, a new page will open. So we are opening the agent builder now. And here please follow as I am doing so that you are able to get score on this particular course. Now come over here and here you can see it's a basic agent template. From here we have to select Agentforce employee agent. Okay. And then you have to simply just click on the next button. Once you have done this, you can see the general FAQ. We have to deselect it. So here there is no option to deselect, but you can see here one option. Basically it's showing added. You have to click on it to just remove the selection. So just click once and you'll be able to see this add option. That means it is removed. Now click on next. Once you have click on next, now we have to customize our agents. So for the name, you have to simply come to the basically lab instructions. Just scroll above. Just try to scroll up like this. You can click and go. So from here, just copy the name and you can also update the API name because it's not updated. So just copy it, paste over here, update the description. You can click on this clipboard icon and simply replace the entire content. Now here comes the role. So you have to leave it as default, change the company over here and click on this checkbox and simply click on, make sure to check it, next and create. So just click on next. Okay. And then after that you have to simply click on create option. So just click over here and just click on the create option. It will start creating the agent. So it will take some time, so wait for it. Finally the agent has been successfully created. Okay, activation task we'll do later in this lab, so do not click on activate as of now because we have to modify some of the things over here. So just please pay attention to each and every step. Now from here you have to click on new and from add from asset library. We have to add two assets from the library. Which are the two assets? They have mentioned on the lab module. You can just follow whatever I am doing. So you can check on the lab also. First this one. The second one is single record summary. Now once you have selected both of these, then click on the finish option. So once here we have clicked on the finish option, it will just come over here. Now you can see if you want to view the detailed topic like this, you have to click on it and just you can view the topic details, descriptions, all the things. Now here once you view all these things, we have to modify one topic action. Okay, you can see here all these things are available over here. We have to modify the topic actions I mean. So for that you need to wait for a few seconds and just follow as I am doing. You can see these are the outputs. So our agent is also ready and here from here come above and you can see the topic options. You have to click on it. Now from here we have to do one change over here. So we have to just remove one topic and then we'll be able to get the score. So from here you have to just discover it. That is basically answer questions with knowledge. You have to click on this down arrow, then simply click on remove this topic, remove from topic, and then once you have click on remove, so once you have click on remove option, you can see finally the topic has been removed. Now here you have to just click on this refresh button. It will just update the records, and finally the record has been successfully updated. Now here you can see this is the prompt. We have to paste on the prompt builder. Just paste over here, hit enter. It will take few seconds. Wait for the output to get generated. Finally here you can see we got one output over here, and the session has been started and it's working on its own. So now it's time to activate. Click on activate and click on ignore and activate. So this step we have successfully completed, and let's see whether there are more steps or not. So from here you can see that we have completed all the steps. So now wait a second, what's happening? Okay, you have to click on verify, and this is the way we have to complete the second part of this module. For the trick and treat quest, you can also check the playlist, and do like the video and subscribe the channel. The third module will be also live soon. You have to follow the sequence in the playlist. So this was a quick thing I wanted to share. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. Finally we have completed the second module also, and I hope you have completed and got the full score on this course. So now just come over here, and here you can see we have completed the second module also. Now time for third module. For that, just follow the video.